It is no secret that it is hot outside, which means you want to make sure that your AC is working properly in your home. News 19's Nikki Marker joining us now. And Nikki, you've got some tips on how we can keep our home cool while also saving some money.
That's exactly right, Tamika. Like you said, as the temperatures continue to rise outside, I know this number right here is the one we're all focused on, but I'll give you some tips on how to keep this number low while keeping your utility low as well. Summer in Alabama is here, and if that means one thing, it is hot. And while we focus on staying cool outdoors, many want to keep their home cool as well.
The excessive amount of heat puts a lot of pressure on the units.
Lonnie Law is the CEO and owner of Air Degree. It's an HVAC company in Huntsville. He says the best thing you can do to prolong the life of your unit is regular maintenance.
The truth is the unit needs to be cleaned so it can breathe. So unit being cleaned and checking your air filter every 3 months, especially if you have a lot of carpet, pet dander, those type things. So the more your unit can breathe, the more it can absorb the heat in your house and reject it outside.
He says the best time of year to do this is in the spring.
Have your air conditioner cleaned in the spring, ready for the extreme amount of heats in the summer. And if you have a gas unit, I suggest twice a year.
And when it comes to keeping your home cool in the summer,
number one rule is set it and forget it.
Meaning it is not a good idea to knock your temperature up during the day while you're not home, because you're actually losing money that way.
Air conditioning is all about the removal of heat. So if you bump your temperature up to 78 when you're gone and you come home and you want it to be 70, well, it now has to remove all the heat out of your couch, out of your carpet, out of the walls. So it's actually running longer than it would if you just left it at the temperature.
Now, Law says that the best rule of thumb is to set your thermostat at a temperature you like and then not touch it for the rest of the summer. And I loved his reminder, set it and forget it. Live in Huntsville tonight, Nikki Marker, News 19.
Nikki,